today's video, first look at the PSA jakl. I didn't get the whole rifle, I got the upper only, and just gonna be the first look at this thing. Let you know what pieces you need and everything like that. If you want to just get the upper, you have to get the back adapter, and that's it. It comes with the bolt catch. You do have to replace that, and if I was you guys, I would replace the charging handle. The one that comes with it is kind of flimsy, and without gloves it kind of hurts your fingers a little bit. The upgraded one feels kind of like an AK. I do have that one on the way. I don't have it on me right now though, but yeah, just a quick look, let you know what this guy looks like. And I haven't found no videos about this, but I have the Midwest Industries folder on here, and it folds cleanly. You see that? Folds cleanly. It does lock in place. I can shake it and it's not going nowhere without me actually pulling it, and it'll fall into place. So I want somebody to make a video like this about the F5 stock. Just let me know if it locks in place. If it locks like this, you know, even though everybody's, well, it doesn't matter if it locks like that. I'm not gonna. You're not answering the question. Does it lock in place? They said they incorporated a new folding adapter on the side. I just want to know if it locks. If not, I'll know that I need to get it. I mean, if it does, I'll know that I need to get it. If not, I'm not wasting my money. So just let me know, guys. But yeah, also, if you're thinking about getting the slightly bigger version with the upgraded handguard, if you're gonna put a whole bunch of stuff on here, yeah, it's worth it. But if not, it's just adding weight, you know. It's not really a big deal for me personally. I'll talk about this in my next video, but all the rifles that I wanted to basically not imitate, but really incorporate into this project, they all had like the shorter handguards, like the SCAR, the ACR, even the MCX Spear, some of them. I wanted the shorter handguard, and from what I've read, the longer handguard makes the adjustable gas block a little bit harder to use. So just keep that in mind if you're getting that. Plus, they're the same price. It's like less than 2 inches of more rail space. It's more weight up front, you know. So just keep that in mind. For my personal arms, I mean, I'm 5'10" and a half. Remember that half. And my arms can reach out. If I have my stock fully collapsed, which I probably never will, even still, if I'm trying to C-clamp, I can barely reach out past that adjustable gas block. So, you know, I'll never probably use this thing. It works fine just for my adjustments and my height, everything. So let me know what y'all think about this. I'm doing a parts list next. Then I'm gonna be doing a full weapons breakdown. And then, you know how I do range footage. I do catch myself reaching back here a lot. It does take some getting used to. But anyways, guys, let me know what y'all think in the comments down below. Like, comment, subscribe, all of that stuff. And peace.